What's features highlight? About Kiddietotes Kids Carry-On Upright Luggage Suitcase and Backpack Set, Smooth Rolling Wheels, Penguin. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including designed for kids, trolley suitcase and bag are lightweight, which means they are easy for independent toddlers to carry or pull. Plus, they're roomy enough for all their gear, and designed to deflect and absorb impact so they last. Durability, our hard side set has a strong and thick ABS hardshell exterior. This means it is water unscratch resistant, and won't break after repeated use. Smooth rolling wheels ensure simple maneuvering. A short handle allows for effortless carrying. Comfortable push button makes using the adjustable telescoping handle easy. Secure packing, sturdy cross straps inside the luggage keep your child's clothes and pajamas organized while traveling. Flexible inner compartment zips closed so it's ideal for accessories, toys, and snacks. Strong external zipper closure keeps all contents contained while traveling. Functionality, adorable and practical for small children. Perfect for extended overnight stays, sleepovers, weekend trips, sports, and school. Easy for boys and girls to pack themselves so they can bring along on day trips and outdoor activities. Approved for air travel, TSA and IATA approved, which means it meets domestic and international flight size requirements. Will fit inside overhead cabin bins, or under seats, on both small and large planes. Kid approved too. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.